Here we go!
The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Winter weather advisory for the following area in California: San Diego County Mountains. Winter weather advisory in effect until noon PDT Thursday above 5,000 feet. What? Snow expected. Plan on difficult travel conditions, including during the morning commute. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches with localized amounts up to 8 inches are expected. Where? San Diego County Mountains above 5,000 feet.
It's interesting that the Midland WR 120 didn't go off, and neither did the alert works.
When? 2 a.m. today to noon
And the
Thursday.
Midland WR 10, which doesn't go off the test for absolutely no reason, just as they don't go off for any alerts. But yeah, that's it.